Namaste, Jai Hind. Today we'll understand about how to send an email on Gmail. So let us start with the video. So first we'll go to the home screen and there we'll click on Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome opens up, we can go to the mail icon which is at the bar as shown on the screen, or else we can go to the address bar and we can type gmail.com there and we can click on Gmail login. So this web page opens up. Now we can click on Gmail login and this is what is there. So we can go to the first email ID which is my email ID. I'll click there and then we can see there is an option to enter the password. So I have entered the password and I have clicked on next. So once we clicked on next, this is the window that will open up. So to compose a mail, we'll go to the top left corner of the screen and we can see compose icon there. We click on there and we see this new pop-up window that comes up, and there are options like to, CC, BCC and subject. To understand this, here the email address of the person whom the email is to be sent is mentioned in the to column. For CC stands for carbon copy, BCC stands for blank carbon copy, and subject is the context of the mail. And here it is the body. So whatever contents we want to write, we have to write here. There are different options given at the bottom of the screen which is there to beautify or upgrade the body of the mail. Below we have options like attach a file, where we can click on the option and attach a file if we want to, and we have an option of send button at the bottom. So we can click on the send button and the mail will be sent to the recipient. Otherwise there is a drop down menu which is available next to the send button. So if you click on the drop down menu, we can actually schedule the mail at a different time. So since no email address is mentioned here, so it will not allow me to schedule a mail. So even if I click here, it will give me an error message and it says no recipient address. Now we'll close this, and to log out from the Gmail, we'll go to the top right corner of the screen and we click on that button. We come down and we have the sign out option. So as you click on sign out, we are exiting the Gmail. Now let us understand in brief about what is to, CC and BCC. So suppose we are sending message to A and we want B to know that the mail has been sent, so we keep B in CC. Here A can also see the message has been sent to B. But suppose we want to send the message to C and we don't want A to know this, then we will add the email address of C in BCC address bar. This is usually done to keep the address of BCC private and confidential. For example, if we have to send the common information to the candidates regarding some exam and we don't want the candidates to know the email address of each other, then we'll put the email address of candidate in the BCC bar. So basically BCC is blank carbon copy, CC is carbon copy, and to the recipient whom we want to send the mail to. Thanks a ton for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.